Hey guys, this is Cindy with SeekOptics.com, and today we're going to show you how to replace the lenses on your Oakley Hijinx frames. So let's get started. First thing you're going to want to do is turn your frame around, like if you're going to put it on, like this. Once you've done that, I like to rotate the frame at a 90-degree angle. It's just easier to work this way. And I like to locate these sections here and here, and we're gonna pull out on the frame as we push the lens forward. I like to use these back fingers here to pull or pry the frame outward as we push the lens forward with our thumbs. So let's give it a shot, and you should hear that pop. Now when you do hear that pop, don't be alarmed. It's just the lens unseating itself from the grooves of the frame. So let's go ahead and do the same thing to this side. Locate these sides here and here, and we're going to pull out as we push the lens forward. Like that. Perfect. So now to install your Seek Optic lenses, go ahead and turn your frame around. Have it facing towards you. Once you've done that, go ahead and locate the grooves inside of the frame here. The next step is you're going to line up your lens to these grooves. I like to start off with the top groove here. It just makes it easier to insert the lens. And today I'm going to be installing my new Revo Ice Blue replacement lenses. Anyone that knows me knows that I love the Ice Blue lens because it's really vibrant. It really complements this frame here because of the tortoise color. So and it looks outstanding outside. The way it reflects off a clear sky, beautiful. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to insert the lens. And once we line up that lens to that groove, we're going to push the lens forward or in to seat it. Now you should hear a pop, like that. Once you've done that, go ahead and run your thumbs along the edges of the lens to make sure that it's locked in. And now we're going to do the same thing to this side. Go ahead and line up your lens to that groove. Once you lined up the lens, go ahead and push the lens inward or forward to lock it. Run your thumbs along the edges of the lens to make sure it's locked in. And now the last step is just go ahead and give your lenses a nice little wipe down with your Seek Optics microfiber cloth. Like so. And now you're good to go. Of course, once you've installed your new Seek Optic lenses, we would love to see how you customize your look to fit your everyday needs. So go ahead and post a picture to Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram with the hashtag SeekOptics. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more updates and content. And of course, if you do have any further questions or concerns about the installation, your frames, or the lenses, please feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email to info@seekoptics.com.